Alright folks, hello again, welcome back to my channel. Now, having to keep this a secret for the entire summer, I am delighted to announce that I'm going to be appearing in an all new TV show made for ITV that's going to be starting this Sunday, so not a lot of time to promote it, the 19th of October at 1:15 on ITV1, and also available on the catch-up platform ITVX after episode 1 has gone out. And I'm actually going to be featured in episode 1. Incredible. Now, the show is called Be Your Own Boss. So it is about helping to support small businesses like mine. And they actually come and visit the workshop as well. Most of it is filmed in here. It's really excited about it. Now, it features a lady called Holly Tucker, who has an MBE for her services to small businesses, the founder of Holly Co and NotOnTheHighStreet. Now, Holly visits me, as I say, in the workshop to discuss my small business and look at ways in which they can, looking at ways to improve things. Now, I know a lot of you, my subscribers on long form YouTube, have been with me on this journey, shall we say, for the last 6 years. All right, so as you know how this all started out. So woodworking started out after the car crash. Woodworking became a little hobby became a little part-time thing, and then over the last few years it's been my passion, it's been my small business. But I'm literally learning as I go along. All right, so I have no business acumen, I have no business background, and with running a small business comes lots. It's a multifaceted operation. It's not just about making, a chopping board or a charcuterie board or a table or whatever for a client. There's so much more to that. And, over the last year or so, I've been struggling a bit, because I just don't really know what I'm doing. And to have the opportunity for someone of Holly's business background to come and visit me, look at what I'm doing, look at what's going well, and then building on that to see how I can make things better, to grow things, was an absolutely incredible opportunity, and I am so honoured to be a part of that. I don't want to give anything away about the show apart from what I've just told you about, but I hope you enjoy it. All right, it does explain my lack of content on YouTube, particularly, there's not much gone out this year, but particularly over the last 4 months, because I have been completely immersed in the show, in the program, in acting upon the advice, and let's see what happens. All right, the next stage of the journey, shall we say, is about to start. Now, I know the folk probably won't see this, and I don't want it to sound like an Oscars acceptance speech, but I really do want to thank Holly for her incredible support, advice, compassion, positivity, humour, and just all-round good-natured, incredible human being, for actually coming here, meeting me, listening to, a story, if you like, about how this happened, how this came about, and just her incredible advice. All right, I genuinely am going to say that I will be forever grateful for having the opportunity to meet her. All right, and just to recap, also, I want to thank True North Productions, who are the people behind it for ITV. But just to recap, and I will have others to thank once the show's gone out, and you'll understand that once you've seen it, if you get the opportunity to catch it. So just to recap, this is Friday, the 17th of October, and the show is going out on Sunday, the 19th of October at 1:15 on ITV1. also available after the episode's gone out on the catch-up platform, which is ITVX. There are 5 episodes in total, and I will be featuring in episode 1, so no pressure there. Okay, if you do get the opportunity to catch it, folks, and you would like to leave me some feedback, I'd love to hear what you think of it, genuinely, sincerely, because I know a lot of you, as I said before, have been around here for a very long time. I'd love to get your feedback on it, and you could come back to this video and drop it in the comments. I will be doing a follow-up video at some point next week. I know I'm going to be very busy, and I'm really looking forward to that challenge. Okay, so as ever, folks, thank you for your support over the years. I hope you enjoy it. I know I'm going to. I'm excited. I'm nervous. Nervous anticipation, or nervous excitement, shall we say. So I hope you enjoy it, folks. As ever, take care, look after yourselves, and I will catch you at some point next week. All right, thanks for watching.